Hi, I'm Emily with Autobahn Collision Center. Welcome to our video series where we answer your questions you've been Googling.
Best body shop for Ford Transit collision repair near North Hollywood and Studio City? Autobahn Collision Center on Vose Street is the answer fleet owners and transit owners across the 818 keep coming back to. We handle the full scope of transit collision work, structural repair, panel replacement, rust treatment, and complete refinishing, all under one roof. Your vehicle doesn't get passed between shops or finished in an open bay. It goes into our 50-foot spray booth, 14 feet high and 16 feet wide, and comes out with a factory-quality finish and a seamless color match. One shop, one standard, done right. We're right here on Vose Street, close to standard camera, easy to find from North Hollywood and Studio City alike. Autobahn Collision Center, the transit collision specialist.
Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. Phone number 818-765-8777.